So guys, in today's video I'll be exploring Thamrin City, Jakarta's massive 10-story mall which seems to go on forever. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but the scope, just how massive this place is. It has thousands of vendors selling a variety of things, ranging from traditional Batik clothing, Muslim modest wear, textiles and fabrics, all at really affordable prices. And surprisingly, this isn't even the biggest mall in Jakarta. Right next door is Tanah Abang Market, Southeast Asia's biggest textile market. I'll be exploring this place in a later video, so make sure to subscribe. Check it out, we're here. Hello sir, how are you? Is this the way in for the mall? Okay, thank you. And yeah, so you see what I mean by sort of Islamic dresses, the things like abayas with headscarves and whatnot. And it's actually seemed like a good spot to get gifts. Don't know what that price that is. Yeah, check this out. These are actually quite nice for women, that is. So I will probably pick up a few pieces here. Hello. You have bracelets? Oh, just these ones. Okay, I'll have a look, thank you. These bracelets seem like generic ones. This place goes on forever, this is what I meant. And I was saying you probably wouldn't expect it to be like this because it goes down as far as you can see. So left, right, straight. And I think they've got like 5 or 6 floors here. Some menswear starting, so I think we're heading in the right direction. So I think this is Batik Clothing I was saying earlier. I'll ask. Hello, apa kabar? How are you? This is Batik Clothing? Batik, okay. Men's? Yeah. Okay, this is what I was on about. See, founded 1976. How much is for one piece? How much for like one piece like this?
290. This is premium.
Okay. What material is this?
Yep.
What material?
Cotton.
Cotton.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah. 100%.
Okay. And this is 290.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll have a look. I'll come back. Thank you. 100% cotton for 290,000. It's about 10 quid, I think. Right, let's check this out. This place is massive, so you kind of get a scope of what I was on about. Right, I just want to do a quick conversion. 290,000, £12 for that, 100% cotton with that design. So that was actually a good price. Hello, apa kabar? This is very nice. You make this or? Turkey. Okay. Nice Islamic calligraphy and paintings. How much is one piece? How much for one?
No English.
Money. Rupiah.
4 million.
4 million. For this big one.
4 million.
And smaller one?
Small. Ini 1,500,000.
1,500,000. Okay. They're really nice. Okay, thank you. I think on the top floor they've got food market. But you know what? I've not looked down here on this floor, so we'll do a bit more exploring here. Yeah, you can definitely get lost in a place like this. It looks identical. Hello, so is this 100% cotton?
Yes.
It's cotton. How much for one piece?
Long and soft. Long.
Long sleeve, yeah.
Long sleeve. This one 250.
250.
Yes.
And
Half 200.
half is 200.
Yes.
And if you take 2 piece,
2 piece half and long.
both.
Half.
So 2 piece long.
2 piece longs 400.
400.
Yes.
Okay. This is traditional Indonesian clothing.
Indonesian.
Yeah. Okay. It's got very, very nice designers.
Jawa.
Java.
Jawa. Jawa Tengah.
Or East Java or
Yes.
like Surabaya or
No. Jawa Tengah, Surabaya, Jawa Timur.
Which area?
I don't know.
No. Okay. But this is like general traditional Indonesian
Yes.
clothing. Okay.
Indonesian.
Thank you. I will have a look. A lot of stores are closed there, so we'll head up another level. These guys very similar to Pakistan. So they've got sort of the front end where they do all the selling of the products they make, and back here they'll do tailoring, and this is where they'll make a lot of the stuff or to order things. It's not anything like the souks in the Middle East. This is more like a modern souk, you'd say. Definitely a maze. So I don't think I'll find that place again where I want to go unless I head back now. But yeah, I just keep on exploring. Take a right here. Main hall is this way. Block A. Look man, it just keeps going. These are the back rooms. If you're familiar with that, it's exactly what it reminds me of. But yeah, I'm eating through my battery, so I'm gonna start being a bit more picky on what I record. Although I do want to just record everything. I need to try and find a side bag. I don't think I'll find it here. It'll be more like a street market. But yeah, I'll just start picking on what I need to record. Because guys, forgive me for butchering the pronunciation. I was sitting on my phone figuring out how to say it. Berapa harganya? Berapa harganya? Berapa harganya?
Nih, ini 40.
Berapa? How much?
40.000.
4,000.
Yeah.
Am I saying right? Berapa harganya? Is this correct?
Ini 25.
Can I check his fast charge? This one.
Lihat dulu coba.
3 ampere.
Oh, it's not. This is still 1 hour to 80%. It should be quicker than this one, no? Don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but see the scope, just how massive this place is. We went to the food court by mistake, but yeah, a lot of stuff's closed, and I don't really fancy eating anything from here. I think another hour they were going to close. I think they closed around 4. Maybe pick up a few pieces as gifts. Hello. It's Pakistani food? You from Pakistan? Okay, mashallah. I'm Pakistan as well. Where from? Karachi. Okay. How long have you been here for? 6. Oh, you come recently?
Yeah.
And this is your business?
Yeah, this is my business.
Okay, very
We
good.
recently opened.
You come from Pakistan to here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Karachi.
Okay. How has it been? Good?
Yeah.
I think this is the first Pakistani shop I've seen.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is it's my first day here, so there's a lot of Pakistani people here or no?
Many Pakistani Indians. There are so
many
many
Okay.
Pakistani people.
Really? Okay.
But usually many Indonesians buy
They
our food.
they like the food.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's the best food. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Apa kabar?
Baik.
I'm looking for football jersey.
Yeah.
You know football?
Oh.
Balo.
Lantai 1.
Number 1. This way.
Turun,
And then
lantai
down.
satu.
Okay. Thank you. Terima kasih. Grab some really cheap stuff here. A lot of these dresses only 50,000. 35 and 50,000 for shirts. Oh, the cost. Apa kabar? Okay. Real or copy?
Versi Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay. This what material is this? Cotton. Cotton. Okay, very good. I'm just having a look today. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Terima kasih. Quality of the goods seems to be pretty good. Every floor has a musalla, so a place to pray. The 8th floor is a masjid. Right, Muhammad. Assalamualaikum. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Thank you. Terima kasih. That was the mosque on the 8th floor, which is the top floor, in the car park area. So I presume they built it here so people got easy access to it. Just park your car here and come pray. And like you saw, it was quite a big area. Everyone was super nice. They got free drinks, coffee, tea, and they were just offering it out to everyone. So that was there. So really nice people, and nice and clean as well. Prayer facilities and everything there to do wudu, your ablution. Alright, so some goods have been acquired on the first day. Just kind of gets out of the way. Alright, I was asking the Bluebird taxis there how much it costs to go to my hotel. It's a 12-minute drive or it's a 12-minute walk. Well, I might as well walk, get my steps in. Walking, you get steps in, you get to see the city a bit. Alright, made it back to the hotel. Let's cross over here. Apa kabar? Yeah, I don't think I got this earlier, but yeah, this is where we're staying. Oh, back in the room, and air conditioning's on.